Okay. Next example. So important 5 minutes again. Question pattern success important question. Show that integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to t theta into cos raised to q theta d theta is equal to 1 by 2 into beta of t plus 1 divided by 2 q plus 1 divided by 2 and hence it is this part. So 5 minutes again. Solve now. So how to solve this? Solution. Proof. LHS button, LHS theory. Take LHS. So LHS 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to t theta into cos raised to q theta into d theta. LHS is equal to RHS prove. So first now LHS theory. Next step important. So 0 to pi by 2 balancing minus 1 plus 1 power into theta into cos raised to q minus 1 plus 1 theta into d theta. Iಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next to integration of 0 to pi by 2 power ಅನ್ನು split ಮಾಡಿ. So sin raised to t minus 1 theta into sin theta into cos raised to q minus 1 theta into cos theta d theta. Then integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p minus 1 theta into cos raised to q minus 1 theta sin theta into cos theta into d theta. What that happens? Right? First step ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Adding and subtracting 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು power ಒಳಗೆ then split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. Next step important should express in terms of x raised to beta function. Beta function ನ express ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Basically it is not in the form of beta. So to convert beta function, so I can balancing this step integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to multiply and dividing 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x raised to n minus 1 1 minus of x raised to m minus 1 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 theta into p minus 1 by 2 for 2 to cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? Balancing. This step is important because of to conversion of beta. So that's why I can balancing multiply and dividing 2 into cos square theta raised to power of q minus 1 by 2 into same as it is sin theta into cos theta d theta. Right? So that equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta raised to p minus 1 by 2. So cos square can be written as you sin and cos it you want that trigonometric function ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ cos square is 1 minus of sin square theta raised to q minus 1 by 2 into sin theta into cos theta d theta. So it is exactly in the form of x raised to n minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to m minus 1 form into dx form ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು 1 minus of x ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ sin square put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Right? Put sin square theta is equal to x. Therefore sin theta is equal to root x. Right? So therefore theta is equal to sin inverse of root x. ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. theta is equal to 0 this is sorry. So therefore x is equal to sin square theta direct ಬರ್ತೈತೆ not necessary. When theta is equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ x is equal to sin 0. So it is 0. So when theta is equal to pi by 2 ಆದಾಗ x is equal to sin square pi by 2. Sin 90 degree. It is 1 square it is again 1. So limit change again. When x is equal to when theta is equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ x is equal to 0 ಬಂತು. When theta is equal to 90 degree ಆದಾಗ x is equal to 1 ಬಂತು. Next I want a dx form. So d theta. So only theta ಐತಿ. So sin square theta is equal to x. I want a dx value. So differentiate it. So 2 sin theta into cos theta d theta. So that equal to d is dx. Therefore sin theta into cos theta into d theta is equal to 1 by 2 into dx. Cos equation 1. Putting all these values in equation 1 we get putting all these values, therefore equation 1 becomes integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta d theta is equal to, when theta is equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ x is equal to 0 ಬಂತು, when theta is equal to 90 degree ಆದಾಗ x is equal to 1 ಬಂತು. So sin square theta is equal to into x power ಎಷ್ಟು p minus 1 divided by 2 into sin square 1 minus of sin square, it is x raised to q minus 1 by 2 into sin theta into cos theta, so that equal to 1 by 2 into dx, right? So that equal to integration of 1 by 2 is take it outside, 0 to 1, so x raised to p minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 by 2 into dx. So now it is exactly in the form of beta function. So beta of 1 by 2, so it is a beta of, we should express beta, so p minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and q minus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Then simplify 1 by 2 beta of p minus 1 plus 2, it is plus 1 divided by 2, q minus 1 plus 2, it is plus 1 divided by 2, and it's the proof, right? Next in one deduce next 0 to 2 deduce x raised to 4 into 8 minus of x cube raised to minus 1 by 3 into dx. Deduce in the form of beta function, so I can write like this. In the right? Ado ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So you should express in the form of beta, so put x cube is equal to constant is 8 into another variable z. So therefore x is equal to 2 z raised to 1 by 3. I want the dx value, so dx differentiated 2 into 1 by 3 into z raised to n minus 1, x raised to n into n minus 1, so minus 2 by 3 into dz. So it is the dx value, right? Z is equal to x cube divided by 8. When x is equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ z is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2 ಆದಾಗ z is equal to 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. Putting all these values in equation 1, you get 0 to 2 x raised to 4 into 8 minus of x cube raised to minus 1 by 3 into dx. So that equal to, when x is equal to 0 other z is equal to 0, when x is equal to 2 other z is equal to 1. What is x? 2 z raised to minus 2 z raised to 1 by 3 raised to 4 into 8 minus of 8z raised to minus of 1 by 3 into dx value 2 by 3 z raised to minus of 2 by 3 into dz. Clear? Then simplify. That equal to integration of 0 to 1 2 raised to 4 into z raised to 4 by 3, right? 8 is taking common, ಇದು 2 raised to minus 1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 3 get cancelled, 2 raised to minus 1 minus of z raised to minus of 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 into z raised to minus of 2 by 3 into dz. Clear? So simplify this. 16 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, so 0 to 1. If the bases are same, adding the power this and this, so it is a 2 by 3 into 1 minus of z raised to minus 1 by 3 into dz. Then apply. So 2 get cancelled, 16 by 3. So it is exactly the form of beta, 2 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So right, so it is 16 by 3 beta of, so 5 by 3, so then 2 by 3, hence the answer. 5 marks. Practice ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ.